this is what it is at this point, like it's overexcitement, but I don't think it's bad. Look, that's literally it. Tuna, cucumber and avocado. I should write a book, like a cooking book. And I'm sorry. Yeah, you see. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Galini, by the way, if you do not know. So the amount of times I've silently screamed, like it's insane. I'm just so excited. Anyway, as promised, but I got, it's not duct tape, but it's parcel tape, so it will do. And I just wanted to tell you, what if you think about something, you think about your future, you think about like your dream life, and so say that I'd love to move to Vancouver, Canada for a couple of years, maybe once in my life. I'd love to experience that and I'd love to do that. And then all of a sudden you get booked for a show to be a girl from Vancouver, Canada. Are you kidding me? Like I'm screaming. And not only that, like I want to scream, like I've been thinking of screaming from excitement and just like remove all of this like energy that I have. My role is literally a screaming girl. Like a screaming girl from Vancouver, Canada, dressed with the cutest little outfit that I would actually wear in real life. It's so realistic. It's like, it's so, I can't, like the universe, I'm sorry, but she's working out there. She's doing it, like, huh? Anyway, I know I tried to control my excitement, but I'm really excited, like I can't. So if you really truly want something, she will give it to you. The universe will just give it to you in her own like little ways, and I truly believe that that was a sign. Like, call me crazy, but I truly believe that was a sign. The fact that I feel so good, the fact that she put me in this, I'm just screaming. Anyway, that is it. I wanted to show you today the most delicious, easy, quick, healthy food, like lunch, like I'm obsessed. I don't know, I just feel so grateful for everything and I'm just like so happy with everything. But this food in particular, I made it last night. I'm obsessed. I've never been more obsessed with any other foods that I made like this. Like it's so good. I'll show you. Basically, it's like really easy. It's like a food bowl, like a salad, but like with a rice bowl, pretty much. Tuna, cucumber, avocado. That's it. Anyway, I'll show it to you because I'm gonna make it for lunch. And now I'm eating my little chocolate brownie from Costa. If you ask me what I will miss from the UK, it's probably that. Like, we don't have Costa in Greece, so this is what I will most definitely miss. Like, this is the best brownie. Like, if you haven't tried the Costa brownie, do it. It's insanely good. Like, the most delicious brownie ever. Anyway, I'm just gonna edit my video now and probably continue watching Sims Build. I've been obsessed with watching Sims Build. Like last night it was like 2 hours of me watching Sims Build on my laptop, like on YouTube. And my eyes were at the end, were like, oh, crazy, because obviously it's like speed up or like, you know, turning the screen, and it was kind of like, it made me dizzy, not gonna lie, but it was so worth it. Like the amount of people and the imagination that they have when they get. So this girl is called like Lil Simsy, I think, and she's building like shells, like the exterior walls. So they take the shell, like the exterior walls, and they make it of like their own, so they can do whatever they want. They just cannot change the exterior walls. And the imagination those people have, it's insane, like you have to like see, like it's beautiful. Anyway, I'm so impressed. Okay, so I'm gonna end this little clip here, and I'm gonna show you my lunch when I make it. Yeah, excuse my like overexcitement, because this is what it is at this point, like it's overexcitement, but I don't think it's bad. I don't think, you know, I think it's great. I think if all of you feel like that once in your life, it's amazing. It's the best feeling ever. So I hope you do. I'll see you in a bit. So I came to the kitchen to make my lunch. I'm so hungry. So I've got my rice from yesterday, half avocado from yesterday, tuna from yesterday, focus, and then some cucumber, and literally I'm just gonna add the rice to my little bowl, slice the avocado in the bowl, tuna in the bowl, and cut the cucumber in like little tiny pieces and add it into the bowl. That is it. Look, that's literally it. Tuna, cucumber and avocado. And then you literally add a little bit of oil. It's in a water bottle because my mum sent it from Greece. And some pepper and some chili flakes, mostly on the avocado, and then some salt. And that's it. Then you just mush it all together, and the avocado oils go everywhere. I should write a book, like a cooking book, with easy recipes, because I only cook like easy stuff. Obsessed with it. I'm obsessed with it. I should actually have like easy recipes for people that live on their own. I think that would be great. Let me know if you would actually buy the book. I'm just talking nonsense. Don't pay attention to what I'm saying. Okay, see you later. Good morning, guys. This is the next day. I just came back from the gym. I had a HIIT class at 7:45. It's now 20 to 9. So not even 22 to 9. I'm just so exhausted. It was too much for me, I'm not gonna lie. It was a lot of jumping. I had just woken up and I was like super dizzy, but nonetheless I'm really happy I did it. And now I'm like super sweaty, so I'm gonna go take a shower and then get ready, because I'm gonna meet my friend at Blue Water Shopping Center, so that is going to be like super fun, and we're gonna have food and a drink. I don't know, but it's gonna be, I'm really excited. I also have to leave in about 4 hours, which is great, because I want to upload a new video. So if you haven't checked, it's not my previous video, it's like 2-3 videos before that, but yeah, go check that out, and I'll see you after my shower. Hi guys, I'm out of the shower and I found, it's not the freshest of fruits, but frozen strawberries, frozen blueberries, frozen raspberries and frozen pineapple. Now, I don't know if I should mix like almond milk with that and make it like a smoothie, or coconut water. Maybe I can do a little bit of both and try. So weird? Maybe. I don't know, I'll try and tell you what works. Okay, so I made it with milk. It's so cold. Like, I had to add boiling water because the fruit was so frozen. No, so I added some honey. This is actually really good. Oh my god, it's like ice cream. Like strawberry, raspberry, blueberry, banana, pineapple ice cream. That's what it tastes like. It's really good actually. Oh my god. I recommend. I added almond milk and chia seeds and honey, as I said, and banana, strawberry, raspberry, blueberry, pineapple. So really, really, really good. I actually want to try it with coconut water, but obviously that is more than enough for me and for now. So maybe tomorrow. Make sure to subscribe if you want to see what it tastes with coconut water. And now I think I'm gonna start getting ready, like slowly. I still have like 2 hours until I leave, but yeah, I have to upload my video, which I exported it, and then half of it was just black. And I'm like, what happened to my, you know, to my videos, to my files? And it was just like black, and I had to redo it. So hopefully this time, like fingers crossed, it will be okay, and I will upload it in the next 2 hours and then leave. I'm so happy to see my friend and so happy to go do some retail therapy. I haven't been shopping since forever, Christmas, and it wasn't even for me, so yeah, really happy. This is so good. Just came down from the loft and I had a sleeping bag and some pillows and all that, and now, see, I don't know what to wear, but at the same time, like, I don't have a lot of options, so I'm probably gonna wear my brown jeans, which I absolutely adore, and I don't know, I have a brown top. I'm thinking it shouldn't be all white, like it's not okay for it to be all brown, because I was going to wear this one, which I really like, unless I wear this knitted vest or the white one that my mum knitted, and with a little black top or white. I don't know, I'll see you when I get dressed. I got ready. I wore my brown jeans, my mom's knitted vest, and this turtleneck, the base one. Did my makeup as well, and my hair, and I am stressing because I forgot that I need to buy tickets and I have to leave literally now, and I was exporting my photos so I have space to film when I'm there. And it was just like chaos, like I was like, come on, please, just like one more minute, one more photo, blah blah blah. Anyway, that was very stressful, but now, yeah, now we're good because it you know, it transferred the files and now we're good. Alright, see you outside. We came to Wakamama and we ordered all of this. And it's my friend Lucia. So we ate and it was really good, but we're so filled up now, like stuffed. And we're just gonna walk around to digest and then have dessert, obviously. Yeah, we're just gonna pop into different shops. Okay. And oh, sorry. Yeah, you see. Okay, so we're at Hollister's and I tried this so cute white top with little blue flowers. But apparently I'm not a small, like it should be like this. But yeah, if I was to get it, I would get a medium. But I don't know because I'm moving, you know. And then I'm gonna try this plain white one. I just like the cut of it, but I don't like that it's crop top. I would prefer if it was like longer. I used to have one of these. Oh my god, that's cute. Hi guys, I'm back home. I had the most fun like ever. Now I'm literally uploading my video. Like I just walked in and I'm uploading my video. Like it's late, it's like 8 PM and I don't know where my guys, oh my god, where is my little mouse, my click, my look, I'm taking it like down and right. Can you see it? It's not here. It's gone. The amount of issues I had with my laptop the past week. I'm actually really annoyed at this point and upset and angry. Where is my mouse? Anyway, since this is kind of broken and I can't do what I wanted to do, I got some things from Hollister and a top from Superdry, but I'm gonna show you tomorrow because I wanted to do a little try on haul. So it's only like 3 tops and they're super cute, but because it's really dark now and I'm very tired and I just want to upload my video, I'll do that tomorrow. So make sure to subscribe and check my next video so you can see the clothes. I am going to end this vlog here. Tomorrow is a busy day. I might see another friend. And look at this mess. Oh my god. I need to start packing and emptying my room and actually like wrapping the boxes with tape and taking them to my storage unit. I really want to do that before the end of the week. So stay tuned for that. I love you all so much and thank you so much for watching, and yeah, I'll see you again very soon.